Delhi's Khandalwal neighborhood, small business owners such as VIJAY HURIA are worried about India's new and controversial Goods and Services Tax, or GST. The new tax code has been in the works for more than a decade. It aims to revamp the existing patchwork of taxes into a uniform system. All states and territories will implement it except Indian-administered Kashmir.
To implement this will be very difficult for us. Neither the government is ready, nor are the traders ready. Besides, the government has said that everything will now be computerized.
Online and monthly reporting of taxes is just one of the many hurdles ahead. Many business owners say they are confused about the 213-page tax code. Most taxes are capped at 28%, but levies on luxury goods and tobacco can be much higher.
They've put GST on scooter spare parts. It's not a luxury vehicle. This is a vehicle that's owned by the poor people and the rich alike, and everyone needs this vehicle. And to put 28% GST on the spare parts of a scooter, this is an extremely wrong decision by the government.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government says the GST will make life simpler for businesses. Opponents say GST will erode the autonomy of states and make them more dependent on the federal government. Some shoppers are anticipating higher prices.
There are things which might become slightly expensive. There are some things which will remain same, status quo. But there are quite a few things which are probably becoming cheaper with the introduction of GST.
Economists believe the new tax scheme will boost growth by up to 2%, strengthening the world's sixth largest economy. Some investors are hopeful that the GST will make doing business with India and in India easier and more profitable.
We have demanded that period starting from 1st of July 2017 to 31st of March 2018, this 9 months period should be declared as an interim period, and no penal action should be taken against any trader on account of procedural lapses.
Back in Khandalwal, VIJAY and others in the scooter trade are appealing for leniency during what's set to be a rocky transition into one common market for India's 1.3 billion people. Chaderjian, Al Jazeera.